Solana grows massively and closes the gap massively with Ethereum. I think the range for me is worst case is 800, mid case is like 1200, upper case in a blow off top would be 2,500. Different chains are used for different things. Ethereum is securer, is probably the chosen one for the finance industry to build on top of, whether it's layer twos or whatever, because it's very secure, very well battle tested, and very respected and still innovative. Solana seems like it's more for retail application and fast moving applications. Even maybe a crypto exchanges can build on the new Firedancer part of it because it's super fast. So I think, to extract away for people watching this, I don't really understand this. It's really simple. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, they're all just decentralized businesses selling block space on their blockchain. And different block spaces have different attributes, and they're used for different cases. So Bitcoin is the single most secure. So right now, its main use case is just Bitcoin itself. And it's perfect in that way. Ethereum, DeFi has really been the big thing. And obviously NFTs were very big, but that's also gone to Solana. So valuable transactions, if banks are going to transfer hundreds of gazillions of dollars between each other, Ethereum is likely the chain of choice.
Raoul Pal expresses bullish sentiment on Solana, saying that by the end of the current cycle, Solana could explode to a price that is probably above $1,000, representing a potential gain of 604% from the current level. As for whether Solana could overtake Ethereum in terms of market cap, Paul says that Solana is seeing massive growth and is massively closing the gap with Ethereum. He also says that both blockchains are optimized for different segments of the market. Different strings are used for different things. Ethereum is more secure. It's probably the one chosen by the financial industry to trust, whether it's layer 2 or not, because it's very secure. It's very well battle tested and well respected, and it's still innovative. Solana seems to be aimed more at retail applications and fast-moving applications. Ethereum's decentralized finance, DeFi, was really the big thing, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, were very big. But that was also the case for Solana. So for high-value transactions, if banks need to move hundreds of billions of dollars between each other, Ethereum is probably the chain of choice. Solana is the right choice for lots of fast transactions. According to Raoul Pal, Solana can hit $2,500 by the end of this bull run. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
Solana, for lots of rapid transactions, it's the right choice. We will see other things, whether it's Sui, which is the Mistin Labs one, or Avalanche or others for gaming, or for other applications like converting the old Web 2 social media into Web 3 or music. They will all find different blockchains that better suit their purpose. So you should be thinking of these sell-offs as a gift, is, oh, wow, if I can find a bit more cash, I can put it into the market. And you tend to do really well over the cycle by doing that strategy. So the volumes in ETFs are driven by two: net inflows, or people known as arbitrageurs who are arbitraging the futures market. So we don't know what that flow was. So they would sell the futures, which trade at a premium, and then buy the ETF. We don't know what that flow was, but let's assume it's net inflows because Binance saw record inflows yesterday as well.
Paul also recently highlighted Sui, the native token of the smart contract-based blockchain project Sui. In a series of posts on social media platform X, Paul shared his excitement for Sui and highlighted that its price action presents notable opportunities. He suggested that Sui could be the next big trend in the cryptocurrency markets, drawing comparisons to Solana, a well-established competitor in the same space. Paul's analysis goes beyond surface observations. He noted that Sui is starting to show signs of breakout compared to other major tokens. Specifically, Paul noted that Sui is primed to make a significant move against Avalanche, AVAX, as well as Celestia's decentralized network, TIA. He further highlighted that Sui has already broken out of its downtrend when paired with Bitcoin, positioning it as a token to watch. Paul also acknowledged the inherent risk associated with Sui. He mentioned token unlocking and stated that while it poses a potential risk, the worst might be over. The main factor to consider, according to Paul, is the variability of demand. Even with the high fully diluted valuation, FDV, Paul sees value in current price actions that match market narratives. Raoul Pal's endorsement of SWI has injected a new level of excitement and speculation into the cryptocurrency markets. His insights highlight both the potential opportunities and risks associated with SWI, drawing attention to its current price trends and future possibilities. Investors are advised to consider these factors carefully when considering SWI as a potential investment. As always, staying informed and cautious is essential in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Analyzing the current state of the markets, Paul shared his views on why recession fears are overblown, why current market volatility should be embraced, and how the ongoing business cycle presents significant opportunities for investors. The current volatility of cryptocurrency markets is a feature he sees as intrinsic to this asset class. Historically, declines of 30% or more are not uncommon, and for Paul, these periods of market turbulence represent opportunities rather than threats. He described these crises as macroeconomic spasms, short-lived episodes that offer investors the chance to buy into the market at lower prices, thereby improving long-term returns. This creates a favorable environment for cryptocurrencies and other risk assets. Solana has excelled in the current market cycle, gaining significant traction due to its speed, easy-to-use applications, and cost-effectiveness. While Paul doesn't believe Solana will overtake Ethereum, he believes it will significantly close the gap. Solana's rapid growth and innovation have positioned it as a blockchain well-suited for retail and fast-moving applications. According to Paul, despite previous issues with network shutdowns, Solana has solved these challenges and is now proving to be a reliable and secure platform, further cementing its place in the blockchain hierarchy. Paul's price forecast for Solana is particularly optimistic, ranging from $800 at worst to $2,500 at a maximum drop. He envisions Solana potentially reaching $1,000 or more by the end of this market cycle, underscoring his confidence in its continued growth and adoption. Paul reassured investors about the recent market turmoil, noting that 30% drops are common in cryptocurrencies and often present buying opportunities. People should view these sell-offs as a gift, Paul stated. He noted that the current economic cycle with declining inflation and increasing liquidity generally favors crypto assets. As for the impact of ETFs, Paul suggested that recent net inflows indicate a growing understanding by investors of crypto's role in combating the erosion of purchasing power. Despite recent market volatility, crypto ETFs have seen a net inflow of capital, indicating increased adoption and acceptance by traditional investors. He attributes this trend to a better understanding of cryptocurrency's role as a hedge against currency depreciation and inflation. According to Paul, this crypto space is growing from $2 trillion today to $100 trillion by 2032 to 2034, adding that this would be the largest and fastest accumulation of wealth in all of human history. NFTs are probably the most powerful technology in the entire crypto space, predicting their widespread adoption across all industries. Paul remains very optimistic about the future of blockchain technology. While the first wave of NFTs focused on digital art and collectibles, Paul sees a future where NFTs will be used for everything from global banknotes and digital IDs to deeds and derivatives contracts. He believes that NFTs, by creating digital scarcity, will play a crucial role in maintaining value in a world where everything digital tends to lose value.